gonna put this liquidy soap into the microwave for 1 minute.
You want to show the camera? Show the camera. Okay.
Oh, it's not. Put the bottom here. We're gonna put it at the side so I can turn a little bit more. And we're pressing play. Let's see.
Oh my gosh! Daddy?
That's amazing.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, where is it?
We have 44 seconds.
But, Dad, where did it go?
Get sucked back in. I mean, it popped.
It popped?
Yeah, the bubbles.
Looks like it's all gone.
Open it.
Here, open it up.
What happened? Ew, it smells. And tell them what happened. I'll get a glove.
That's hot.
I'll get you a glove. It's really hot. So you better get a glove. Plastic and microwave. They go to fire sometimes. Here, just use this. Can I do it? I'll do it.
No.
That's up. No. I didn't get you to do anything. Yes, you did. Just gonna take it out. No, I just gotta. Nothing. I'm gonna go clean it.